You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word in French, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing French words that many get confused by, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about those. So, in English this is known as mirage. Now in French it is said as mirage, mirage, a rather similar pronunciation because it is a word of French origin, even in English. Mirage in English or mirage in French. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names from French that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.